Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Bali ngayon guys, meron ako nakainan dito guys, pares overload. Napakamura lang, 80 pesos. So kung familiar kayo sa place na to, ayan, yan yung going to Makati tsaka BGC. So ayan yung Brickstone Bridge. Ito yung Pamandaluyong. So ayan si Lola. Makikita nyo yun guys, maraming kumakain dyan kanina. So ayan guys, oh. Yan yung merong pares overload guys. Yan. So makikita nyo yun guys, oh. So kung familiar kayo dito guys, alam nyo to kung saan. So yan, tutumbukin nyo lang yan. Kung galing kayo ng Makati, tutumbukin nyo lang yan guys. Thank you for watching.